All right now, thunderstorms are making their way here and they could cause some damage. KDKA First Alert Meteorologist Ray Petelin is back now to track it all out. Ray?
Yeah, we've had enough, but it looks like there's more for Mother Nature to send our way. And you can see we're getting this rain lifting in, but the more legit storms are south of Indianapolis right now. That's where we have this big cluster of tornado warnings, severe thunderstorm warnings, flash flood warnings. These storms are likely going to take a path south of our area. Good news for us with that. We still have some ingredients up in here that want to move in, and they're going to work with some of what we have to offer atmospherically to try to pull off some storms. So we're going to have this first batch of rain moving through the next couple of hours. Then after 2 o'clock, we're going to start seeing these thunderstorms trying to drop in, and they're likely going to flare up even more so a little before daybreak. So we're looking at mainly 5 o'clock for much of the activity to be at its peak for Pittsburgh. But this is going to shift down to the south through the morning commute. So I think after about 9 a.m., we're going to see Pittsburgh coming out of the rain and the thunderstorms, and they're going to be more focused around spots like Morgantown, Kingwood, Deep Creek, Accident, Maryland, down that way. By lunchtime, these are gone. We are looking at the sunshine coming back out, but it's going to be windy. And with those winds, we're looking at a wind advisory for Garrett County, Maryland, that runs for the day. Some of those wind gusts could get around 50 miles per hour there, but most everyone else is looking at generally 30 to maybe 45 mile per hour gusts. So a pretty gusty setup. And if you do get a powerful storm overnight or early tomorrow morning, these gusts might bring down some residual branches or something like that. So these are something to watch, especially in the wake of that cold front coming through. Temperatures tonight are going to be on the warm side. We're not changing much. Our temps are going to hang out. It's going to be muggy, and we are looking at those warm temperatures, and that humidity in the air is what's going to be around for these storms to work with early tomorrow. Now, we will top off in the low 80s, and this is pretty much the warmest day of the week ahead. But that said, we have a lot of beautiful weather trying to show up in the forecast as well. Tonight is not one of those beautiful spots. We get the scattered thunderstorms. Some of these could be severe with those damaging winds, possibly rotation. That's why I'm staying late and Ron's coming in early. We're going to be watching these storms for you all night long. And if we should have to hop on to let you know anything, we'll do that. So if something seems scary and you don't see us on, that's usually a good sign. But certainly some storms that are going to be popping off as the night continues and we get into tomorrow morning. Tomorrow, after that, we break into some sunshine. There's a lot of sunshine in the forecast. Juneteenth on Friday. For Saturday, partly cloudy conditions. A good chunk of Father's Day is looking pretty good as well. That's also the start of summer. And after some Monday storms, it's right back to the sunshine and 70s and 80s.
Thanks, Ray. And up